Hello. Just thought we'd bob down to the boat, which is over there. Just make sure it's still tied up by this high winds. We've got 47-mile-an-hour winds at the minute. As you can see. It's calmed down a bit now, but it was quite wild before. And it was high tide about 2 hours ago, so make sure nothing happened with the locks. The doors are still, we left this locked door open at the front. Obviously that was closed. I'll just park his boat outside. Probably not wise to go out in this. It's even worse than the ice here today, I believe. Monkeys, don't go past the rail, please. Because I really don't fancy diving in that. Although it's a beautiful day, I don't fancy dragging you out. There's the New Mersey Gateway. It's 2 hours ago high tide, so just on the turn now. Beautiful day. A couple of men fishing. What are we going to go and pick? We're going picking what?
Garlic.
Which kind of garlic?
Wild.
Wild garlic. What are we going to do with it? We're going to make a nice soup. So we'll have to find some more wild edibles, won't we? Can't just have a garlic soup, otherwise it will smell too bad for vampires for about a week. Oh yeah, you brought your pizza with you as well. Right, you sit down there then and eat your pizza. Away from the water now. Don't want any foil blowing in, okay? So bye bye. We'll probably bring you back when we've got some wild garlic. You can see the high tide today has been right up here. Been all the way up here. All this is soaking wet. All this has been eroded, as you can see. Been taking chunks of this land off. Tides and tides. Yeah. Found treasure, girls. We got a fishing weight. Awesome. Nice. On the boat, that guy. Or in our fishing collection.
What's that?
Fishing weights. Treasure, our first treasure at the Mersey. That's at the back. Lead. Looks like an old one, though, very old one.
Maybe it's something when you
No, it won't be that far back. Oh, we don't want to go in the water, so have a sit down. Very windy day today. One of Kenny's bolts is out. If anybody wants to buy a boat, by the way, I've got a 19-foot New Bridge Navigator for sale. Very cheap. Just contact me. Sorry about the wind, you're not going to be able to hear anything. How windy is it? Very. Oh no! I brought me flip flop. I refuse to buy myself anything, so I'll just wear everything until it falls off. Yeah, lovely. Oh, look what we've got here. Blackberries. Oh, there's some food for later in the year. Lovely. what storm this is, but it's a bloody right. Make sure there's no loose branches before we go anywhere. Come on. Look at the water now. Any white cracks in the water. So the other this bit. Come on. Come on over here, Mr. Bites. Look at all this debris. Get past these trees and then we'll have a look, eh? Come on. A thumb? Right, let's go over here then, away from the trees. Eroding banks, you're not kidding, it is eroding. Come on, girls. Come on, next step. What's that? Sit down here and have a look. Anything there? Can you feel anything? Shake your slippers up, man. No, I must have gone. Put it on, put the gloves off. Wow, it's a beautiful place, this, isn't it? Not away from them trees now. Might have spiked yourself and just flat burn. Right, don't you come near here. I'm just going to have a little look. Just a bit squalls and blood. You don't get too close to it or you're going to use the eroding bank. Pulling the bank away from the trees. We don't get too close to the edge though. Do you know what eroding bank means? It means it's washing away so it gets loose underneath, and then if you stand on the top it might give way. I think you've just been spiked and it's just still hurting you. What have we got here in full bloom, girls? I've got to get up to it. There we go. Full one. What is it? Elderflower.
Elder, can you hold it?
Yeah, we could. Do you want to put it? Do you want to make an elder juice when we get home?
Yeah.
I'll put that in the bag then.
But elderflower. Look how he looks.
There's not that many in full bloom yet.
Yeah, I can see it. Right.
Check it out then. Let's have a look at it.
I can see it.
That. Whoa.
That. Couldn't you see it?
No.
Really?
There's no spike there though.
It keeps on moving.
No, it's not a spike then. If you've got a spike in your foot, it won't keep moving, will it? It's just stuck in and gone. Oh, that wind's calming right down now. You'll probably be able to hear us. Sorry about that, YouTube. We're just on a little adventure. We've got some elderflower. We're going to make some elderflower lemonade when we get back, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's going to be good for all our chests. Don't mess about with it because all the good stuff will go. Leave it in the bag. If there's any more we see, it's in full bloom. There's one there at the back, but there's no way in climbing that. Not like this. I don't even think I've introduced myself today. You all know who I am by now. And I've done another haircut. I might sack me barber. The old defences here. Well worn away. No, it was the old fence. What it is, it's trying to keep this land in. But over the years, it's just rotted and it's all dropped back in. That's why you don't go near the edge. Have a little look at that there, how it's all eroded. And it can erode from underneath, so when you stand on the top with all your weight, you can go down, and obviously some of them spikes will be nasty and you don't want to fall on them, do you? So you two stay back. And I'll show, without too much going forward, right, I'll show exactly, you'll be able to watch this video without seeing this now. That is what they mean. If you'd stood on that, that looks like that. If you stood on that now, I'll just show you. Look at that moving. That is about to give way. Oh, watch this. That's why you don't stand on the edge.
And if you follow one of those spikes,
That is erosion happening right there.
Sanded or anything,
That would have gone in the next couple of days without me doing it, so
it could be pulling
don't think
stones out of you for a while.
I'm eroding it on purpose. I just want to show you an example of why you do not go close to the edge.
And
Come on, thug.
another reason, like say they weren't properly sanded and you fell, you'd probably be pulling spikes out of you for a
Oh,
while.
you would. Big spikes. You got big splinters. What, love? What have you found? Treasure? Wow! Real treasure. The first one of value today. Find a penny, pick it up, and all day you'll have good luck. And then I think you pass it on, and the good luck keeps going. Marvellous. Oh, well, that wasn't there, didn't I? We'll show that.
Yeah, put it in the bag.
I'll put it in the bag. Good girl, well found. And that's 2 lots of treasure we found today. Well, 3, because we got the elderberries, the elderflower.
Yeah, that's right.
And if we find wild garlic, woohoo! See how it was all anchored together.
Yeah.
Well done now. There's one of the original bits here. It's been sucked now. Suck it to the river.
Look on the floor and take the floor, Fraser.
Yeah, we will. Look at that drop there. Few people sat on the bank. It's not far off taking the path, that. I think they need to put a little concrete barrier here to keep the path. go. Have a good lemonade out of all these. Come on, get it. Only the ones that's flowered. Like that, yeah.
I found one that's flowered.
Yeah, you've seen a good one. I've seen that. Go, pull, 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 pull. Yeah, there we go. Pull! Pull!
Got it.
Get in there. We're getting some food here, girls. Here you are.
Got so many, you can almost make a full, like, lemonade bottle full.
Just the one, come on. Yeah, there's one for you.
Thank you.
Pull, pull, pull. Right, come on. Watch these branches. Look at this here, girls. Look at that. That's ready for coming down. Let's get back out of here and walk round. Okay. It's not worth going through it when it's like that. That's gonna snap that. So we walk away and live to fight another day, and we can come back next time, can't we? Get more.
Yeah. Yeah.
For now,
Let's look at more later.
more treasure and more food.
Yeah.
Every style, you walk 1,000 miles. Wow, what a storm! What a storm! Paddling. No, that's used to be. It's just an overflow where the road comes off now. This used to go, this canal used to go all the way down there to Fiddler's Ferry and past it. Now they've blocked it off. What they need to do is regenerate it and open it all back up again. I think you could say there's a housing crisis. I'd love to live on a narrow. There's a massive, massive network of canals all over Britain. We could easily, just got a good few cars, these boats, canal boats on there. Nice place to live. Go on, lead us to the wild garlic. You remember what it is, don't you? Let's have a look. Ho ho ho! Winner! Let's get in. Been battered, hasn't it? Right. Oh yes. It's going to want a good clean. Oh, pick some flowers and the garlic.
Melody.
Oh, beautiful.
I can't really smell it.
You will have to. You will when it's in the soup.
Yeah, maybe lovely.
Right, come on, let's hurry up and get out these woods. We got enough? That's not garlic.
Is it?
Smell it. Yeah. Ready? Put it in, open the bag.
We got a lot of wild.
Hurry up, Olivia. Let's get out of this forest quick. Hurry up, that'll loop. Got plenty here. Right, come on. Go, go, go. It's not really a forest. I've made sure there's no falling branches, loose branches. Right, down the steps.
I remember it because when I looked
No.
there, I was
What do you want them for? Fire lighting?
like, yeah.
No, we leave them here. We don't need them. Especially with birch.
Yeah, because I got a ton in my pocket.
Leave them there. See, she's already got the birch. Already sits up in her pocket if we need a fire. But we'll wait till we get home to cook the soup. Okay?
Yep.
We'll have it after. Come on. You put it. All right. Put that with it. Well found anyway. Good shot. Let's carry on then. Let's go to the next destination.
We still could make a fire, but the birch
Birch, yeah.
is better.
You want to show them the birch bark up there? Oh yeah. Jules keeps birch bark in her pocket, don't you? I've got the fire striker, she's got the birch bark.
I was always having in my head making a leaf hat.
You want to make a leaf hat?
Yeah, so can we pick some leaves?
Well, let's not. We'll do that again next time we come out. But for now, we've already got the soups that go out, and we've got the lemonade that go out. It's going to be too much making a leaf hat as well today.
Yeah.
There's going to be plenty of leaves left. Okay.
We're going to be
Come on.
Um,
Yeah.